I'm currently preparing for a job interview. You guys don't know how long I've been looking for a job. It's a little retail job, it's nothing too serious, but I really just want to start making some money. So what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to make myself look older. I feel like I look like a freaking baby. I look like a child. I'm 18, but I look like I could be like 15 or 16. So I looked up how I can look older, and I found this, I found this article with some tips on how to make yourself look older with makeup. So I'm just going to be trying some tips from there and hoping that this all works out for me. The first tip is to not wear edgy makeup or like trendy makeup. Because apparently that's not mature or professional. People will not take you to be a very mature person. So that's not really a problem for me. I don't really think I go overboard with makeup or like the trends. I don't even know what's trending. So I think I'm good over there. The second tip is to only wear what you need. So basically what they're saying is that I don't need a full face of makeup. You know, I'm still young, my skin is still decent looking, even though I have a pimple right there. And they're like, oh, let your real skin shine through. I usually don't wear a full face of makeup, so I think I'm good. And look, we're on the second tip and I still look like a baby, so I'm a little worried, but we're gonna see what happens. Tip number 3 is to fill in your brows. I'm blind, I can't see all the way over there. Filling in your brows is the look of a mature or professional woman according to that article. But they did say make sure you practice before your actual interview because you might mess it up. Like my interview's today, so I don't really have time to practice, so we're just gonna do this right now. I feel like I'm gonna mess this up. Usually I always do my brows darker than what I want to, and they always look unnatural because the color I have, this is the NYX professional microbrow pencil. It's in the shade espresso, I believe. Yeah, and the shade's kind of dark. I probably should have went up, so my brows are automatically gonna look dark. But the darker the better in this case, apparently, according to that article over there. So we gonna fill them in. Okay, I'm kind of offended though. My brows are naturally sparse, so am I just naturally not mature because I have sparse brows? Like what? I'm gonna use this pencil. It's a little bit lighter to fill in the center because it's kind of dark. I'm gonna go ahead and use the Morphe Brow Setting Gel. It's a clear gel, and I'm just gonna set my brows in place. Alright, so I need to get my brows done, but that is besides the point. My brows are looking dark. Darker than what I would normally like them to be, but we're gonna trust this article. Okay, so tip number 4, I don't even wear eyeshadow, but this tip is to use neutral eye colors for your eyeshadow. I usually don't even wear eyeshadow if I'm being honest, but more low-key tones give off a more mature look. It's not even an eyeshadow, it's part of the Black Radiance contour palette in medium to dark. This is the powdered one, and I'm just gonna take this brown shade over here, and I'm just gonna put my thing in this a little bit. I don't even think that's noticeable, maybe a little bit, but not really. But we're gonna keep on going along with this. Okay. It just got tremendously darker. Oh my gosh. Watch this interview be like 5 minutes and I literally am getting ready, acting like this is some big thing. So the next tip is to stick to blacks and when it comes to your eyeliner and your mascara. I hate wearing mascara. I know I gotta wear it though because my eyes are so tiny without them. So I'm going to be wearing the Lash Paradise by L'Oreal. I'm pretty sure this is black. But before that, I should probably wear some sort of eyeliner. I'm gonna use this brightening eye pencil by e.l.f. because it's the first thing I found, and we're just gonna do something with it. So we're going for like that smoky type of eyeliner. Y'all probably can't even see that. Oh my gosh. Y'all, this is why I hate mascara. So the next tip is to trade in your lip gloss for a lipstick. I have a lipstick. It's a neutral color. It's Revlon Super Lustrous Lip Strip.